Sslc in Margaret'S High Secondary School mentau snem kalayo abad ka Kyrdan ka baar berbalai haka exam matrik joka secondary school leaving certificate hajar alpulai bala penlong da Meghalaya Board of School Education ka Jyoti Priya Batacharji ka balayo ka Kyrdan ka baar kalayo sanspa hnyau puar marks bat ka Tanushri Acharji ka bayo ka Kyrdan ka balai ka yo sanspa hnyau pu marks habakran shikila pathai khubor ka Jyoti Priya Kalapan payo ka jing kemen bat ay kuble ya ki kimi ki kpa kinong hikai bat ya baro ki bala ju kershan ya ka. Ka Jyoti kalau ong bakan beteng ya ka jing puli ya ka balik puli ya ka arts bat ka don ya ka jing terang banlong IAS ni IPS officer. Kat ba ka Tanushri kalau ong ba don kam menteri shitam ban poisha ka ni ka thong. Kalau ay man siya miki we baki de banlong testa haka puli bat kim de ban khusrai AA ndrei ki de ban kan mau makin le bha bat ban buti haki jing dwai.
When I needed a time, no, I need a break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay. And then I felt free, like tomorrow is how what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down, you'll do good. We have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. Not like any other, like I belong from a lower middle class, okay, so I will not like a child, a very aspiring child from a lower middle class to, to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams, just go with the flow and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, if I even get air. I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam, I will be very honored.
What's next for you?
Pursuing the arts stream. I'll be going for the arts stream, and I'll be doing BA in history or political science.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I was just saying that it really took some efforts to reach there. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it, but then I thought, no, I have to try it. I have to try my best. My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all. To study 24/7, you just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
What do you plan to do next time?
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about my future yet. I'm still thinking.